Also, before starting this video, I want to announce that I have a Kick and a Twitch channel, so check me out there. It's in the description down below. Follow me there. Watch my streams. Don't follow me unless you're the type. Oh, well, actually, follow me, but unless you're the type of person who's just like trying to add himself, being like, I'm a graphic designer. Don't follow me, please. It's kind of annoying and stupid. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Dolph, and welcome to another PC video. Now, this PC video is a bit different. So, the reason why I made it is the reason why I made it is because I feel like I've already finished doing the gaming video. I made a gaming video just recently, finally. But I thought, maybe if I also make this video and then release the day after, for the sake of the 2 or 3 videos I was supposed to be releasing 2 weeks ago, kind of an excuse. It will make more sense. So that's why I'm doing it. I'm making 2 videos. This video is not gonna take that long to edit, for the most part. But just why not? But anyways, without wasting time, this is the $1,100 fully AMD build again, but this time with the RX 7800 XT, I believe. Yeah, the RX 7800 XT AMD PC build. So fully AMD, but with a much better GPU, and for some reason didn't spend that much. It honestly cost almost the same price point that I usually make these videos. So yeah, let's get to the PC build, shall we? Now, starting off with this build is with the CPU, and the CPU of choice is going to be the Ryzen 7 5700X. It's an 8-core processor, so it should be fine. It's still good, even though it's a little bit old. It's good. It's powerful. It's good. It is 8 cores. Should be fine. And again, you could go with a new CPU, but it will cost you a little bit more. And since I'm trying to get to the 1,100 price point, it makes more sense. So we're going with it. Now, for the CPU cooler, we went with the Thermalright Frozen Prism 240mm. It's a 240mm of a God knows what company it is, but it's functional. Yep, and it supports for AM4 CPUs, so I got nothing to say other than the fact that it works, I guess. I don't know. Again, I wouldn't recommend to go something cheaper, but for the price point, if it works, I guess. Might as well. Now, for the motherboard, I went with the Gigabyte B550 UDAC motherboard. I'm gonna say motherboard these days are getting cheaper for some reason. This one is not that bad. Like, it has decent enough heatsink, not the best, but good enough. Full set of RAM stick connections, lots of PCI connections. Port-wise, I mean, it looks simple in some ways, but port-wise, it's not bad as well. 2 USB 3.0s, 1 USB Type A, 10 gigabits, and a Type C 10 gigabit. I mean, sure, it's simple, but it works. And 420 bucks. No complaints. I'm going with it. Now, for the RAM, I went with the Clev Bolt X 16 gigs. It's a 3600 megahertz dual stick. It's like I said, simple build, and yet functional. Very functional. It looks good as well. So, I give it a yes. It's a yes for me. Now, for the storage, I went with the Crucial P5 Plus. It's a 1TB NVMe SSD Gen 4. It is one of the best NVMe SSDs you can get for a surprisingly good price from a really good company, Micron, let's be honest. Overall, I mean, it's not expensive. It's 1TB. It's a Gen 4. It's even proper for even a PlayStation 5 if you want to. So if you have a PlayStation 5, you can get this SSD, plug it in, more storage. Overall, it's good. It's very good. Now, for the GPU, we went with the ASRock Challenger OC Iridium RX 7800 XT. It is 16 gigs of VRAM. It's decent. It's good, at least for the price point. Is 16 gigs of VRAM. Let's be honest. Nvidia really should learn about this. It's if you're playing for gaming, then the RX 7800 XT should be good for the most part, especially for gaming. You should be fine. So yeah, and 16 gigs. At least you're future-proofed. Now, for the power supply, we went with something that's a little bit too much, I guess. Oh well. We went with the Be Quiet Pure Power 11. It's 750 watts, gold power certified, so very good. And it's modular. It's just because I went with a bit too much on the power supply here. It was the good price for 750 watts, so we're going with it. Now, for the case, we went with the Fractal Design Pop Air again, because I guess it's my favorite type of case. Anyways, it's a mesh case. It's decent. There's a lot of fans. There's a lot of cooling for potential for this. It's great, and the design is great too. So overall, we're going with it. It's my choice. I don't care. I know I'll keep using it again and again, but I don't care. Now the total price point of this PC build is $4,100. So hey, the video's title is not a lie. It's even 15 cents cheaper anyways. So 4,100, it feels a little bit good for the price point, if you get what I mean. Like, CPU is fine, GPU wise, at least it's good. Overall specs for that price point is great. I don't think you can even get this type of, well, spec for NVIDIA's side, at least, unless you get like something used. But yeah, it's good. Good price. Really decent price. Not new lighting, but just different color lighting and different timing. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty much just recording this after a couple of days, because of reasons. Long story short, the PC itself is great. It's an RX 7800 XT, I believe. Again, I don't remember exactly. It's $1,400. It's great for gaming. It's great for maybe even live streaming, but I wouldn't recommend it. It's good. It's good. I mean, overall, it's great. Also, for the budget, it's just there. You know, it's literally the perfect amount of budget for the PC build itself. So if that's what you guys are looking for, then it's a good option. I would recommend NVIDIA, like I said, for more professional use, but if you're playing for gaming, she'll be fine. Is the lighting good? Yeah, it looks good. Overall, I think it's great. So, without wasting time, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys liked it. Like I said, if you guys want to see more of me, why is the fan so strong? If you guys want to see more of me, you guys can check my Twitch and Kick. It's in the description down below. If you guys want to see more type of videos other than PC build, I'm planning of doing a video, especially since I only have 6 hours to use such device, of a specific, I don't know if I should mention what device it is. I think I should. I mean, it's not like you guys know what exactly I'm talking about. It's a headphone. It's a specific type of headphone that I would really take a long time to get myself if I even want to, and to be honest, it's too late and I rather not even plan on doing so. Anyways, but it's a very interesting headphone that I can use for 6 hours before I have to return it. Don't worry, I was legally allowed to use headphone for 6 hours straight before I have to return it. Anyways, I'm serious, brother. I can return. I can use it for like 5 hours actually, to be more exact. Anyways, so yeah, we editing this video with those headphones and see how it goes. So anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a like, subscribe for more content, share this video. Also, I keep getting the 400 for subscribers and then losing one, and then it's just going back to 399 to 400, then back to 399. I need 3 more subscribers. Not 1, 3. Anyways, so remember to subscribe, please, and share the channel to other people so they can also subscribe. So, without wasting time, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.